Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating a new movie project and immediately import your media. This gets you into the workflow fast. Once done, check aspect ratio, pick 16:9 for widescreen, and drag clips into the timeline. Make sure to tag or favorite important clips so you don't hunt later because organization saves time. You'll often convert or relink files. If formats differ, let iMovie transcode automatically. Now place your primary footage on the main track to begin building the edit. Now you refine the cut. Move the playhead, split clips with Command-B, and use Ripple Delete to close gaps. This gives smooth pacing. Once the base is set, add B-roll on top for context, use picture-in-picture for comparisons, and scale or crop to reframe shots. Apply transitions sparingly, stabilize shaky footage, and run basic color correction to unify tones. Don't forget audio. Duck background music and normalize dialogue so levels stay consistent across scenes. That makes your edit feel professional. Finish by exporting. Go to Share and Pick File, then set resolution, quality, and compression. Fast for drafts, better quality for final delivery. Use roles to export separate audio stems when needed and add titles or burned-in captions if required. If the export fails, check disk space and restart iMovie. Also update Mac OS and iMovie because version mismatches cause errors. If a clip causes issues, transcode it in QuickTime or convert to MP4, then re-import. That usually fixes stubborn export problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.